Hello everyone, welcome to the channel again. And last time we created the flow and we were yet to try it in the actual scenario, how it works and how it sends the notification to the users and how the items get approved. And once the item is approved, how does it reflect on the list? So these sort of things we'll try and test today. Okay, so the flow is created now. If we just need to check if there is any sort of error in the flow or not. So you can see it's zero error and zero warning. So the flow is absolutely fine, and we are ready to try. Okay, so let's go ahead and let's go to the list which we created. Okay, so as of now, there is no existing instance to try with. So we'll create a brand new entry in the list, this flow test list, and we'll see that how it runs. Okay. So I'll just come up here and I'll just add new item. Okay. I'll click on this add new item. I'll put in test. Okay. And department will be HR. So let's see if the department is HR, the approval should go to Rahul test. Okay, so let's go back here. HR has been selected. The approval status is pending by default. So the value which we selected was pending as a default value. I'll just hit save. So the entry is being saved. Okay, and we just need to check the flow. Okay, what is it doing right now, and if any instance is being ran. Okay, so I'll just go one step back to see if there is any running instance of the flow. So I'll just check if there is any running instance. Okay, and this Rahul test I have opened up here. Okay, so we should get a notification in this inbox that there is an item and it is waiting for approval. So we'll wait for that message to arrive, and on top of that you will also get a notification in your Teams. So I'll show you once the notification came through. So let's go to the flow. Okay, and let's refresh this. So we'll be able to see the running instance here, and I can simply refresh from here. If the instance is not showing up here, we can refresh it. Okay, so it's not showing up here. Okay, cool. So you can see that instance is showing up here. Okay, this is April 27 and the flow is running. Okay, and I'll open this and I'll see that where exactly the flow is at. I mean, which step the flow is being running at. So I'll open this instance and it is loading up. Okay, so meanwhile I can also check if I have received any notification or any sort of approval emails. So as of now, no emails or nothing has been received. Okay, let's wait. Okay, now you can see that I have received an email mentioning that item is there. Okay, and I need to approve it. So you see the item is there, please approve the item, and I'm getting this approve or reject option. And likewise I should be able to see the same in the Teams application as well. Okay, so I should receive a notification in the Teams as well. So it seems that I have not received it yet, but it will be there for sure. And also if we come up here, okay, so it says that your flow is running, and just wait because this flow is loading up. So we'll see that which step is at right now. Okay, so you see that input condition and the expression results it's true. That is why it has moved to a different condition. Okay, I will open this. Okay, now you can see that input is false because the expression results we selected it to IT. So if I'll show you, okay. So right now we selected it HR. Previously, the input was set to IT. That if it goes to IT, then the approval should go to Rahul Bagel, and if it is HR, then it should go to Rahul Test. So we'll clearly see that it is not HR, that is why it is moved to IT. Okay, and input here it's true, it means it is IT, and if it is IT, so then send an approval. So you can see that it's been sent for approval. Okay, and if I approve it, I come up here and I approve it. Okay, I don't need to. If you can enter any comments, if you like, you can. Otherwise, you can just click on submit. So the moment you submit it, the flow will move to next stage and it will say that it has been completed. So you see green check is there, so it seems that the things are completed. So that's why the green check is there, and you see the top, you say flow ran successfully. So it means that your flow has been completed, everything is completed, and you can see that approver is Rahul Test. So this is the time and date and all those things. Okay, this is the body of the approval, the approval notification which goes. So everything is been completed, and let me quickly show you the flow once again. So what we did is we created an item, and the item, the item department was HR. Okay, so I'll show you, and this is the modern view. I can show you the things in modern view as well. So it's pretty much same. So you see, if the value is equal to IT, if it is IT, then goes to this stage. Okay, and this is the approval. Okay, and if it is not IT, then it should be HR. So in the last condition we selected HR. Okay, and if it is HR, then it should go to different approver. Okay, this is the approver. I'll open this. You see that this is the approval, it should go to this approval. So this is how it happened. And so right now I have not designed further, but in the next video, so you guys just try only this step right now. Okay, and in next video we'll try to do one more thing, that if an item is IT and if it is goes for fast approval, okay, we'll add one more approval here. Okay, so I'll show you in the next video that if item is approved on the first stage, then it should go to second stage as well for approval, and then the flow should complete. So we'll do the same thing in the next video. Till then, happy learning and enjoy your SharePoint. Bye bye.